I'm BJ Zanolli, I'm production manager here at Excel Sportswear. Been here about 17 years now. T-shirts are our biggest product. I mean, everybody knows Excel Sportswear t-shirts. You're looking for a good advertisement or a good promotional product for your company, there's nothing better than having your employee wear a t-shirt that represents your company. We're walking, talking billboards. And there are a lot of good screen printers out there, but the time and the effort that goes into what we produce here, it's just unmatched. Starting from the salesperson, the whole way down the line to the artist, what those artists in there are able to create is unbelievable. And for us to translate that over to silkscreen printing, it's not an easy method. We've been doing it for a lot of years, and we want to make sure that the quality is perfect, the quantity is spot on, all of the merchandise matches what's on the packing list, and I mean, our top priority is making sure that these orders go out the door perfect.